Hello guys and welcome to simplylearnanything.com. Today I'm going to discuss about type of communications in computer network. So let's see what are the topics for today. So we have three topics to cover today. Very first one is simplex system. What are the half duplex system, and at last we'll see full duplex system. So what are these systems basically? So you can see as the communications required some kind of rules to be followed to get connected with each other. So these are the very basic requirements which makes devices connected to each other, and which establish a connection to for sharing a data and information. Now you will also understand the evolution of computer networks, okay, as we will go through these topics. So let's start with the first topic, that is simplex system. What is simplex system? This is also known as one directional communication, right? As the name suggests, one directional communications, you might have understood. One directional means there is only one way of communication happening there. The best example in previous days was radio. So why radio? Because radio was a device where you have to set a frequency in which this radio will receive a signal, and based on that signal, the in, whatever the communication is happening or the entertainment channels will you know get received to your device. Second example is personal computer, and the third one is TV broadcasting system. Now why computer personal computers? Right, personal computer is because computers are connected with input and output devices, right? There are multiple input devices and output devices which consist of which consist together with get comes together and create a personal computer. For example, keyboards and mouse are input devices, right? Wherein printers, monitors, those are output devices, we know. So here in personal computer there is only one way communication is happening, right? When you type something, right, through a keyboard, or when you move your mouse to point some particular uh, page, or to click somewhere on a screen, this is known as one way communication, because there is no way that monitor is going to transmit back a signal to a keyboard or a mouse. That's why personal computer is another example of simplex system. Third is TV broadcasting system. Till now you would have understood why TV broadcasting system is also known as simplex system, because there are signals which has been received by a DTS cable or your dish TV, and those signals, based on those signals, you your TV comes up with the different channels or the videos, right? Second is half duplex system. What is half duplex system now? Right, half duplex is also known as bidirectional communication, where the communication where device can send us signals and can also receive us signals, but not simultaneously, right? For example, when you are transmitting a signal, the another person has to wait until the signal gets received by them. Similarly, when the person is sending a signal to you, you have to wait to receive that signal, right? In here there is no way where you can transmit, when you can send a signals and receive a signal at the same time. That's why walkie talkie is the best example for half duplex system. Third is full duplex system. Now full duplex system, as the image suggests, that is telephone system, where you can speak and you can listen all at once, right? That is why it is also known as truly bidirectional system, where communication happens both the way. The person can listen as well as the person can uh, talk can also send a signals to a uh, dedicated person or the connected devices, right? So these were the types of communications available, and also known as the basic systems which required to transmit a data to interconnected devices. So that's all for today. Thanks for watching. If you like my videos and if you have any suggestion, please do write me on a comment below. I'll be happy to improve myself. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more such videos.